Refrigeration, a cool revolution.
Refrigerators have become a staple of modern households, but it wasn't always this way. Before refrigeration, people relied on methods like salting, drying, and pickling to keep food from spoiling. The arrival of the refrigerator changed the way we store and consume food, making safer, fresher options available to everyone.
How early refrigeration worked.
The first refrigerators were nothing like today's sleek appliances. In the 1800s, iceboxes were common. They used actual blocks of ice to chill food. Mechanical refrigeration technology emerged in the late 19th century, using chemicals to absorb heat and create cold environments. This innovation paved the way for dependable food storage at home and in stores.
Changing diets and health.
The refrigerator didn't just keep food cold, it revolutionized diets and health. With reliable cooling, people could store perishable foods like dairy, fruits, vegetables, and meats for longer, reducing food waste. Nutrition improved as fresh produce became more widely available year-round, and the risk of foodborne illnesses declined significantly.
Convenience and social changes.
Refrigeration also transformed daily life and family routines. Shopping habits changed, with fewer trips to the market and more efficient meal planning. Leftovers could be saved safely, and new types of convenience foods emerged. This allowed families to enjoy greater flexibility and a wider variety of meals, supporting changing lifestyles.
The refrigerator today and beyond.
Modern refrigerators now feature advanced technologies, improving efficiency and food preservation. Innovations like frost-free freezers, temperature controls, and sustainable refrigerants make them safer and more convenient. As we look to the future, smart refrigerators and eco-friendly designs continue to shape how we store food and reduce environmental impact.